This is the brand new Redmi Note 12R, which I think is probably one of the cheapest devices that is loaded with 5G connectivity. Not just 5G support, it also has a quite powerful processor out of the box, the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2. The phone's box is fairly attractive, it doesn't have a particularly fancy design. Taking out the lid, the first thing you will see here is the phone itself, the Redmi Note 12R in this light blue color, looking quite good. Apart from that, you will find some documentation inside along with a charger and a USB Type-C cable. Just an 18-watt charger, that's too low for an Android device these days. Let's grab the phone and unwrap the plastics. As we are quickly setting up the device, you can find the pricing details now showing on the screen. Let's jump right on the phone. The Note 12R features a 6.79-inch LCD panel with a centered punch hole for housing the camera sensor. It offers a full HD plus screen resolution, a decent 90 Hz refresh rate, a 240 Hz touch sampling rate and DC dimming. For the price, an LCD display seems fine, and in particular it is not a top of the line device but rather an entry level one, which has all the basic functions to keep the price down. You're also getting a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is really good. In the camera department, there's a dual camera setup on the back consisting of a 50 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Quite nice for taking good looking photos in daylight. On the front side, there's a 5 megapixel snapper for taking selfies and video calling. Okay, now let's talk about the internals. Under the hood, the device is powered by the newly announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, offering 5G connectivity. It packs up to 8GB LPDDR4 RAM and up to 256 gigs of UFS 2.2 internal storage. The phone runs on the Android 13 operating system out of the box with the company's own MIUI 14 custom user interface on top. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery which comes with support for 18-watt charging. So concluding my opinion, this is a very good affordable smartphone, probably one of the best phones that you get in this price range. Also the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, which is processed in a 4nm node, which makes it quite competitive in terms of providing performance and better energy efficiency at the same time. Let me know your opinion about this phone in comments below. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel to get more content like this. And as always, we will see you in the next one.